This is literally epic here at the TigerMan Baspaga.
It's TCB on for the first time.
I feel cool. I feel cool.
August the 12th and 13th during Elvis Week 2026, you can look cool too because we're stepping back into Elvis's world, the Larry Moss Artifact Experience. Come out to the TigerMan, get your ticket right now in the description of this video because you get to wear Elvis's TCB sunglasses, hold the Speedway guitar, and see the orange jacket that Elvis is wearing in that scene. Yeah. The Speedway guitar with Nancy Sinatra. You get to hold that, take a photo with the TCB sunglasses on, by the way. You get to also hold this guitar. Elvis serenaded Anne Margaret playing and walking around the Flamingo Hotel, and he fell into the swimming pool in that movie, Viva Las Vegas, with this guitar. Get to hold that. And on top of that, have you ever wanted to wear an Elvis Presley necklace? We have a iconic necklace heading to the TigerMan, the Lion Claw necklace. Elvis is wearing it in this photo with Muhammad Ali. You get to wear it at the TigerMan during Elvis Week. And the E International Hotel necklace that was presented to Elvis by the International Hotel in Vegas. That is going to be at the TigerMan. No white gloves allowed here, by the way. Yeah, you get to hold these with your hands and feel them. Put it around your neck for an awesome profile photo opportunity like Clark has right here. Also, the 1956 EP white shirt that Elvis is wearing in this photo with Nick Adams' mama around the swimming pool at Graceland is going to be on display. Hey, and you get to put on two of Elvis's rings, this blue sapphire ring that Elvis wore at the International Hotel press conference, and this EP diamond ring that Elvis was wearing during the JC's award event when he was awarded one of the 10 most outstanding men in the country, and he wore it at Sonny West's wedding. That means Elvis is wearing this ring that you have the opportunity to wear at the TigerMan, the most iconic Memphis Mafia photo of all the guys. Get your tickets in the description of this video. Don't miss this. I'm telling you, this is the Elvis event of all Elvis events, and I would love all Elvis fans that are in Memphis to be able to experience it. Get your tickets while they last. Come and hang out at the TigerMan with me and the Spy Guy, August 12th and 13th. Step into Elvis's world, the Larry Moss Artifact Experience. See you there.